Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will write application to the principal for child leave by parents. And the reason is the child went to the village. So let's start. To the principal, then you will write your child's school name and then city name, subject, application, for child leave, child went to the village. Respected sir, with due respect, it is stated that my son, here you will write your son's name, student of nursery class, went to the village with his mother in the mid of summer vacations. Due to some personal reason, they decided to come after a week, that is on 10th of August. So he will not be able to attend the school from 1st August 2025 to 10th August 2025. Therefore, it is requested you to kindly grant him leave for 1 week. I shall be very thankful to you. Yours affectionately, Faham's father. Here you will do your signature and then date. Thanks for watching.